What's up, guys? How you doing today? I'm going to be hosting a class here in St. Louis, Missouri about how to get started in filmmaking. So if you want to learn how to make a documentary style film like this one, or maybe you want to do some wedding films like this one, or if you want to just do some fun YouTube videos like this one, anything like that I can show you how to do, and it's going to be all in this one-day course that is going to entitle how to come up with the idea, how to storyboard the idea, how to film the idea, how to edit the idea, all the way into a final complete project and everything that you're going to have at the end of the class that day. So again, if you guys want to do a corporate style video to where you're interviewing people like this, or if you want to do just any random videos, okay, or if you want to do something that supports the arts or something like this, I know how to do it because I've done them all. Okay, so come join me at 4220 Innovation Hall in St. Louis, Missouri on Wednesday, January 15th, so you guys can go ahead and get your new year started off right and learn how to get more money and stuff like that, and learn a new skill. So I look forward to seeing you guys there, and we'll all have a good time, and I know that. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below to all the videos that I just showed you so you can see them watched fully in their entirety. Also, there's going to be a link somewhere on how to pay for the class too. So, you know, it'll send you to my Shopify page and stuff like that, so you can go ahead and go and get registered for that class. I am keeping that class no less than 5 people, but no more than 20 people. So space is limited, so hurry up, sign up quickly. Okay, guys? And I hope to see you there.